Taking advantage of this madness in Washington. Short one ES, short one NQ. All right. Short one YM. So we could make some money here. Make use of this madness that's going on out there, right? So if you're in the room, you're short, guys. Good shorting opportunity here. YM is pretty strong at NQ. They were up, but they're not breaking. I mean, YM and ES is not breaking down. And I thought they would break down. NQ is the guy they're going to break down. I think they're going to sell it off into the close with all this madness that's going on. It's a good day to make some money, guys. Good day to make some money. We up 255 here. We up 250 in ES. Right? See if we could get some money here. We up 400 in NQ. It's one contract each. Hold it a little longer. All right. 460 in NQ, 212 in ES, 205 on YM. Gonna take off ES here. Take off YM. Take off NQ. So we just make about, I don't know, $700 there on one contract each. We look for another short. We look for another short play here. 337. We need one more pop up. Don't know what's the MOC. Same concept, MOC. No MOC out as yet. I would like to see the MOC is to the buy side, so they could run it down. All right. Take advantage of this madness in Washington. Hopefully this would smoke. Hopefully this would spook traders. Not sure what would happen overnight in Washington. So hopefully we get another short play here. Think I'll take one YM here. Going with a YM first. One NQ here. Got fill in NQ. Then get fill on YM. We got fill in NQ. See if they're going to take it down. There's NQ here. Up 60 bucks, 40 bucks. I'm looking for a flush. ES, I take one in ES here. I like how YM moving, but going in market in ES. Go in market in ES. I keep ES tight, right? So we up another 325 here, 25 here. If I take ES, I won't take YM. They kind of trade together. But we play NQ. Look at NQ. $390. I know how long more I would hold this guy here. Yes, I'm only up $12. See if they could flush NQ here. Yes, it's not doing much, right? Taking NQ off, taking NQ off. Taking NQ off, taking off ES. Those $25 on ES. I saw this coming there. So make another two something. I should have taken it. It was close to $400. This is just scalping, guy. Just playing this crazy price action here. I'm not even worried about setup. I'm just worried about fear. All right. I'm conscious about the time, and I'm conscious about if the MOC going to come out to the buy side or the sell side. So we make $1,000 on this madness in Washington. So I didn't want to play ES on YM. There's the same chart, right? See? You play one or the other. This NQ tempting me again. I'm going in NQ. I'm going in NQ. I didn't get filled. I'm closing my limit order. It's too fast. I'll put it way at the top to see if it come and touch me. It's not even filling me. Just blow through my thing. It's never filling me. I miss it. NQ's not filling. And I don't want to go market. I have to go market. Go market, you're down big, right? As it's crazy. There you go, market. But we got a problem here with price. 12,624, 12,623. Okay, it's about right. But the price is reflecting poorly here. I'm down and it's not reflecting the right price, right? It's supposed to be making money. My dome showing something else, my chart showing something else. All right, see? We're below price and it's not updating. See that? This is a mismatch here. All right? I short, price is below my entry and it's showing that I'm losing money. But the dome is correct. Can't read it, they take that off. Make $100. I'll put it to the top. Let me see if we're gonna reflect it this time. The volatility is crazy. Right? Volatility is crazy. This guy is still going up. Look. That second NQ play was crazy, right? Because I shorted prices below my entry and it's showing me a negative P&L. There may be a time here. What time is it? There's no MOC out as yet. Maybe I just keep that $1,000. I don't try to get back anything, right? But I would love to short ES here. Take an entry in ES, see if I get fill. Got fill in ES. But it's really, really volatile. All right? They're running it up. So this may be a sell side MOC. This might be a sell side MOC. So they would run it up and then take it down. So yeah, this might be a sell side MOC. Take it off a scratch trade. I don't like it. All right. I want to know is the MOC for the day. It's market order and close, but it's working. Look, I got out and then it flushed. Let's see if we could get one YM here, man. Okay, we got one YM. It's up $20. So you could break down here. Try to get an NQ. But the chart is not repeated. The price is way below that. Can't have a seat in the dome. Make $40 there. Can't have a seat in the dome. Just looking to see if they're going to flush this market. All right. Okay. Got into this one. Let me see if we make any money. We got one NQ, one wire. All right. Looking to see if we could get a flush. NQ is working. YM is working. Look at this ES is working. So we look to take profit here, guys. See how much more we could get. It's coming into 4 o'clock. 3, 4 to 7. All right. We have 185 on NQ. All right. If you try to do a close, you can get a big slippage. You might just have to close above price real fast and take it off. All right. It's coming back up a little. I take YM off here for $85, $90. NQ, we got $210. We hold NQ. $230. Okay, so we make another $300 there. So we up like $1,400 on this crazy scalp in here. I think I'm not gonna press my luck here. I think that's it. Take the money and run. Because I can't get the angle on the MOC. I wanted to know what's the MOC. So I could make an kind of education decision on how I wanted to trade this close. You see here? And that they take it down a little, but not enough. I mean, from here to here. All right? See that? These two charts look alike. So if you're shorting, you only short one or the other, not both of them. All right? So don't know. If the MOC is on the sell side, then I think to run it up and then to sell it at 4 o'clock. All right. But the MOC haven't come out as yet. Then I would short it at 4 o'clock. Well, we don't know. This trade was just taking advantage of the fear of what's happening in Washington. Surprise, get these knee-jerk reaction. All right. So we scalp it. See this now? It looks like they're going to take it down. Right? Yeah, they're taking it down. Oh, we missed that. No MOC. Let me put one way up here and then see if it come and fill me. The chart is not reflecting the dome price, right? The dome is faster than the chart. We have some rendering delay here, right? I'm only going to take this trade. Not going to do none of the other indices, right? See, now this chart is reflecting the drop. This chart is stuck again, right? See, a lot of volatility here. Right. This is just a strict fair play of what's happening in Washington. Nothing to do with anything. I used to like to do this play with the MOC. This one was the MOC. So I just took this trade. We up $370 on on one NQ. All right? It's a fair trade. Out. $420. I'm done. Might go lower, right? They're all looking to go lower. Right? See? This guy was a nice move, but this guy was better. He's the weak guy. These are the strong guys. Right? So we short the weak guy. See the MOC come out on financial juice. January the 6th. It's to the buy side. The MOC is 850 million to the buy side. So if it's to the buy side, they will run it down and get the 4 o'clock lower price. All right? That's how I would interpret that. Right? And they're doing that on NQ. At 4 o'clock, they buy it. YM is a different beast. Right? So, not doing much here. They came out too late. I would have loved to see that came out a little earlier. Then I would have take this trade earlier and stay in it. Crazy what's happening in this country. I would never believe us. I see protests and people get a little rowdy, but they don't storm the Capitol building. I mean, this is like third world politics. It's just crazy what's happening here, right? Yeah, to the buy side, yeah. Yeah, I see that. Did you try to scalp? Did you try to scalp anything? Some of that went against me. Take them off, go right back in. I'll make some good money. These guys, if you look at your tick chart and you look at these, you can see that these guys are strong, right? That's the only run. That's the only pullback you get here. Somebody know about it and then to buy it. That's the only little pullback, right? So this haven't worked like it's normally work. Better run it down a little longer, but to start taking it up back early, right? You would expect like YM and ES to take profit and Q was already down, right? So we'd expect these guys that would take some profit in them. Up 419. ES really trading sluggish. I look at EMD. If EMD was not up, ES would have been negative. Maybe to run this market down tomorrow. I can see the papers in Europe and China saying unrest in America. Cool. I could see that. I could see what the Europeans and China is saying about America right now. This may send some fear into the European market, right? These people actually injure some of those police officers. Want them out to go to the hospital. As a rowdy crowd. If it was black people or brown people, they would have beat them up, jail them, tear gas them, shoot them. Double standard in America. I believe in fair and peaceful protests. You have the right to protest and not to do crazy stuff like that. You know what I mean? Crazy. Well, we as scalpers, we're going to try to make some money while these fools are rioting in Washington, right? But it's sad if you see the images. Break the windows, they do all kind of crazy stuff. Madness. Uncalled for, hurting the police officers. It's crazy. Can't get a handle here. But with a bell ring at 4 o'clock, might be a good idea to short this stuff. But if they're buying 800 and something million shares at the bell, all right, it might run up, all right? Because if you're buying, you're going to push it up, all right? All right? Or this little buy-in spree satisfy all the entries? I'm not too sure. All what I know, if you take a trade, you better put it like 30 ticks above price and NQ. That's how fast it's flying above. All right? Price not reflecting it. So we could actually look at the micro here to see how fast this thing is moving, all right? Put on a micro. See what happens. Oh, it's the drop in it. It just disappear off the dome. YM2. See to come back and film me. Look, come back and film me like, I don't know, 60, 80 ticks. It's not reflecting the move here, but the dome is going mad. The dome is mad. All right? The dome gone wild. This is so crazy it's moving, guy. Dome gone mad. You see it? Oh my God, it's crazy. This is why I had to put on a micro here. Look at this. How far is how this is changing like a gas meter here? Huh? And the chart is not doing much. That's a speed, dude. Look at that. That's crazy. That's why you can't put on a big guy unless you get a good fill. Got to get a good fill before you can even try to short it. I put on one on YM here. Got fill on YM, right? An NQYM, right? I mean, a micro YM. The dome is faster than the chart, right? The dome is faster than the chart. The charts are behind. So watch. This one micro making $22. This one is all over the place. Right? But you see how fast it is, right? But they may flush it here, right? So they use the micros instead. Right? So we got one micro on NQ, one micro. Oh my God, look what they do. Look at this YM. Oh my God. They're flushing it. It's too late to short a big. Oh man, it's too late. Wow.
Order.
Take that off. This is going down here. It's showing that price moving up, right? So take off that YM. And let this NQ just do what it got to do here. Maybe we could take this NQ over into tonight, you know? Yeah, leave that NQ into tonight. Maybe a YM too. See, this market gonna get afraid and sell off. Stop loss will be $50 in each one of them. So they're buying it up there. See that? So I put on one YM. Right? If it's run up back here, NQ on micro, keep this one micro. And I put on one micro and YM. If the unrest in Washington spill over into the European market overnight, and keep like a $50 or $40 stop loss on them. Right? If the market tank, I wouldn't be at home, and they get stopped out, or we make some money. Right? And I gotta put this one on yet. Right? As we might reach around $50. And this guy's down $17 already anyhow. So we wait to put on YM. I'll put on YM now.
Submitted.
If I get filled.
Order filled.
Okay. So got one YM. We want one NQ. And I carry them over into the Globex. Where it's into lose $40 each. Might reach $40 here soon. So on this NQ. NQ is crazy. Oh my God, NQ is crazy. But I leave them on. Okay, that's all for now. Till tomorrow or tonight, late tonight. Have a good evening, all.